Well, good morning. This is Josh, and I wanted to go over the introduction to Phase 1A and 1B. The first 100 hours, Phase 1 of a 6-phase program of growing participation in the life of another human group. This material was created by Greg and Angela Thompson on March 2015. I like what Greg says. Growing participation is a long growth, much longer than most new growing participators envision. You know, that is so true. A lot of times we think that we can learn a language in weeks or months, maybe a year, but the truth is it takes a long time. If you think of it like a child, it takes a childhood to become fluent. It's also going to be even harder for you as a second language learner, but you can do it, and it's very rewarding and fulfilling. Here's a quick note for groups using this program. Before you meet to start the first 100 hours, we suggest that before you begin to meet as a group for the Phase 1 activities with a nurturer, each participant read the introduction to Phase 1 and skim through the rest of the document. Then meet together with the nurturer, a growing participation advisor also present, if possible. We also recommend an initial social event like a party, potluck supper, or other activities that will help the members of the group better understand one another and develop a team spirit of mutual support, encouragement, and plain old fun. It also provides opportunity to take the photos needed for the game Here and Now Photos of Us, which is first used in the first Phase 1 meeting. This will also be a good time for everyone who does not have one to receive a host name, if a host person, hopefully the nurturer, is there to help with that. Please keep in mind that even though the Here and Now phase involves less than 10% of the total set of activities recommended for the 6 phases of the 6-phase program, 1,500 hours with a nurturer, these first 100 hours provide a rapid and powerful kickstart, which it can create momentum that will help those using it to continue for months to come. Hey, I just want to say I used Phase 1 through 3 to learn Arabic, and it was fantastic. And I would agree with Greg. Create some type of a get-together with your, you got the growing participator, that'd be you, the nurturer, that's the person bringing you into the host language, and then a language coach, and that's where ESL Connexus can step in and help you. If you need help finding a nurturer, if you need a coach that will get you started, that's what I love to do. That's what ESL Connexus is all about. Let us help you understand the program, find a nurturer that's trained in the growing participator approach, and give you the accountability that you need. That's what we're here for. So reach out to me in the comment section or email me, and let's get you going on this journey. Let's talk a minute about Phase 1A. There's games for listening and responding non-verbally. That's correct. The first 15 sessions, that's 30 to 40 hours with your nurturer, is all about learning and recognizing the words. You're not saying anything, which is beautiful. Think about how a child learns. They learn by listening, and a baby can't speak at first. So that's really important. Words gained in the first 15 sessions. You'll learn about 300 plus words. Then you move into Phase 1B. You're going to continue to do listening games and also constrained or limited two-way interactions. Don't worry, you're going to get there. it's important to listen first. In Phase 1B, you're going to spend about 50 to 60 hours with your nurturer. There's 25 sessions in 1B. You're also going to learn and use the word games to add 600 plus words. So by the time you get to the end of Phase 1B, you'll know about 900 to 1,000 new words in your host language. That's awesome. All right. Hey, listen. Good luck on this journey. It's going to be rewarding. It's going to be an amazing time to build a relationship with a friend from your host community.